Okay, how's it going, everyone? I know this market has been really bad for swing trading. It's been really hard. Things are going a lot lower than we could ever imagine. It's just a really hard market, and I totally understand that. Pennies have taken more hits. Pennies are more volatile than bigger cap stocks. So if you see these bigger cap stocks getting wrecked, well, you got to understand pennies are going to take a whole lot more beating. So like when you see the IWM, the Russell, these things are going to get hit hard. So this is I'm here to discuss the setups I truly think is good. And I'm not here to pump. I'm not here to give you guys false hope. I'm just giving you guys what I honestly think, and based on my system of what I've seen it in the past, it has worked many times, even in dark, depressing moments or days like today. For GWAV. GWAV has just been absolutely beaten down. As you can see, look at this chart. It had a massive pump. We know it can pump really big. I mean, this thing went from 60 with the reverse split, $6 all the way to 44. Nobody could ever imagine that. Nobody would have thought of that. I would have took 6 to 12 easy, 6 to 5, 6 to 8. That these are massive returns. So a lot of these penny stocks you don't want to hold forever, of course. You always want to take your gains and get out. The minute GWAV pumps, I'm totally out. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm going to be totally out. And because I've seen it before. They all pump and dump, and you just got to take what the market gives you. So if you're looking at my chart, you have these bands. I drawn a very accurate trend channel of where it should be respecting and kind of holding. It can kind of like lean towards like it where it hits the trend channel, go a little lower, kind of hug it like it's doing the ATR4. It's pretty rare it does that. It doesn't happen much. But as you can see, when we hit the lower ATR4, which is this green band, it is considered a buy zone. We have never done that with GWAV, and it's never stayed there forever. Like, for example, we get close to GWAV, and look at this massive pump we get right here on GWAV. We get close here, and then we pump here, go a little lower, and then bam, we hit the EMA 20. You'll get this a lot. Obviously, the market conditions are very bad, so things are going to go to the levels more extreme. But as you can see, GWAV has been respecting these channels for a very long time. Every time we hit the lower ATR4, we get this massive, pump from there, and it's just been absolutely beautiful. Right here, pump. So what you're going to notice is price moves in waves. When we get away from the EMA 20, we go back to it. We don't know the exact time frame, but we do know what's very long. And if you guys watch my YouTube videos, if you're in my Discord, this is just an update for GWAV. If you're in my Discord, watch all my videos. Understand, look at every chart, and you'll see what price action does. Anything that don't touch the 2 months mark on any stock is very long for the EMA 20. This is our last clear EMA 20 touch back in 528. We very clearly see it. The algos hit it, and they can do whatever they want it to do. So once this hits EMA 20, no matter what, we need to be out of the penny stock. So 528 and it's 809. So 628, 728. I mean, we're at extreme territory. I wouldn't be surprised if we just pump to the EMA 20 in like 2 to 3 candles. I would not be surprised. The upper trend channel is way up in here, so we had that room up to go. We had the EMA 20 here, the EMA 10 here, and then the EMA 5. Yes, these are very conservative targets. It does not necessarily mean that we can't just go straight to the 20 and above it. It's just it gets more riskier because a lot of the times this is where algos accomplish their mission. We come here and then we can go back down, right? Or we could go back up. We had this little gap here, little thing here. Obviously a little gap here, but we don't trade based on that. We trade on what the system tells us. We are clearly at the ATR4. We're clearly hugging the bottom trend channel. We have EMA 20 time distance. To me, in my honest opinion, you're trading probabilities. There's no perfect thing in trading. A lot of people think, well, why hasn't GWAV pumped already? Sometimes it doesn't work like that, and that's why for swing trading, you have to accumulate the dips properly and have a nice accumulation rules where people can do that and you can understand, all of that if you want to join my Discord. But as I say, my price target for now is 1.13 and you can see it fluctuates about 7 cents. So I'm hoping we get really a nice move here. We see the K is at 2.46. That is extremely low for the stochastic oscillator, the KDJ. and we're at a bottom trend channel. Everything, in my opinion, is ripe for a bull move up. If you guys are down on this, I don't know what kind of your averages you have. I have an average in the 0.60s. I'd be very transparent for you. I definitely see it going higher. If not, I played the probabilities, and that's what really it is. A lot of these trades have worked perfectly fine. I can show you an example of, Nas we traded last time. Everyone thought Nas was not going to go up, and everyone got depressed. I traded Nas right in here on this ATR4. I waited about 5 daily candles away from the EMA 5, and because usually I don't trade it when we just go right off of it, but look what NAS did as it hit an ATR4. We had time distance from the EMA 20. As you can very clearly see, we last touched it right here, 510, and we touched it 710. There's your 2-month mark, and Wawa, we hit it in 3 daily candles just to hurry up and up, and we go up even higher. That's just part of trading. You have the depression phase, and then we have the hopium. Everyone thinks, oh, maybe it can keep going, and then they start back holding. You want to be back and you want to buy at the depression stage where we're at the ATR4. You have time distance. You have a low K. You have massive room to the EMA 20. And the market will reward you. The market does not reward you when you start chasing, when it goes all the way up in here and then it starts dumping down and you're like, oh, why didn't I buy it? I knew this was going to go up. And GWAV is the same kind of setup here. I think it's a more stronger setup in my opinion, but I'm definitely watching it. That's my analysis. That's my update. Like I said, realistic advice, no pumping. It's just what I seen my system do and what I think this price can go to. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome. I welcome everyone. I keep the results real. I record my trades. I have a very high win ratio of over 95%. You can join the Discord below in the link in the comments, in the YouTube comments. I'll pin it and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the description. And when you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you have an Android user. Please read Avoid Scammers. I will never message or DM you first. And you can also read the testimonies of how many people like this system and all the people. It was just an amazing thing. Go on over here to the top left of Server Shop, and you can see I offer swing trading and day and swing trading plus. I highly recommend the day and swing trading plus because you get alerts for day trades, and then while you're waiting on your swing trades, you can take your profits from your day trades and put it into some swing trading. Day and swing trading plus is definitely worth it. For only $12 a month, you have a very high win ratio of over 95% too for day trading, and it's been absolute fire. Obviously, everything is a probability game in trading. We trade the best setups and we go from there. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But, we had the statistics, we had the back test that I've been in through some very bad times, COVID, and I got out just fine, guys. $12 a month, and you have access to everything. If you subscribe, do it on your computer because you'll avoid the iOS fee and you'll get access to my day trading education, day trade alerts, which look like this. It's been awesome. Day trade chat, journal, even my live streams. If you do want to join and just kind of see a preview, join. I'll put it in the YouTube description. Follow my live streams. There's a link there. You can get notified. Hit the bell on Twitch, and you'll get notified when I go live. I think it's a very nice thing if people get kind of confused and just have questions. Well, you'll see me go live, swing trading education, and then swing trade alerts like this. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. This is GWAV, and I really think there's a lot of hope, high expectations, and a big price targets we have for it. And I know a lot of people are holding this. So, the best, don't get emotional in trading. Stick to your guns. Stick to the system. I'm showing you guys a system that works, and that's about all I can give you guys. I hope you see you guys in the Discord. It's been absolute fire. It's been an awesome community. Everyone's positive. Everyone's helping out, and I really like it. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it, and look forward to seeing you in the Discord. Peace out.